Axel of Symmetry, where math finally clicks. Welcome back to Axel of Symmetry. You can already solve equations, but sometimes, before you solve anything, an expression needs a good tidy up. Today we learn to simplify. Here's the idea. Two expressions can look completely different, yet be worth exactly the same for every value of x. Simplifying means rewriting one as the shortest, cleanest version of itself. Let's start with like terms. 3x plus 2x, think of it as 3 apples plus 2 apples. Same fruit, so we can simply count them together. 3 of something plus 2 of the same something is 5 of it. So 3x plus 2x simplifies to 5x, that's it, we just combined like terms. But watch out, 3x plus 2 without an x is a different story. An x and a plain number are different fruits, apples and oranges. We cannot squash those together. Now for the second superpower, the distributive property. Take 2 times x plus 3 in parentheses. It really means 2 full groups of x plus 3. So we hand the 2 to everyone inside. 2 times x is 2x and 2 times 3 is 6. Altogether, 2x plus 6. Why bother? Because once the parentheses are gone, like terms can finally find each other, and long, scary expressions collapse into short, friendly ones. Let's simplify a bigger one together. 3 times x plus 2 plus another 2x first, distribute the 3, that gives 3x plus 6. Now spot the like terms, 3x and 2x team up into 5x answer, 5x plus 6. And don't just trust me, test it. Put x equals 1 into both versions. The long one gives 11, and 5x plus 6 also gives 11. Same value, shorter outfit. This is exactly what your brain does at the market. 3 bags, each holding 1 apple and 2 oranges. You instantly know that's 3 apples and 6 oranges in total. Same mathematics, different costume. Your turn, pause and try it. Simplify 4x plus 3 plus 2x, which terms are alike. 4x and 2x join forces to make 6x, while the 3 stays alone. 6x plus 3. Did you get it? If that clicked, congratulations, you just learned to speak algebra fluently. Simplifying is the grammar behind every equation you will ever solve. Let's recap. Like terms share the same letter, and only like terms can combine. The distributive property hands the outside number to everyone inside the parentheses, and simplifying never changes the value, only the look. Next time we meet inequalities, when math stops being equal and one side gets to be bigger. Subscribe to Axel of Symmetry and keep the math clicking. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Axel of Symmetry and keep the math clicking.